Alright, and you're live.
Hello. So, I told you when I got around to it I'd show you what's in this nice box right here. I don't know if you can see because Ryan's in front of the monitor.
Yeah, you can. Well, you can see the box, you just can't see the name on the box.
Ah, sharp staples. I've been betrayed. Ah! There's the box.
Yes.
And what we're pulling out of that box, we're putting on these. I'm just kidding. They're no good. Ooh. Very nice. Worth more than the truck. And I'll leave that one over here on the drinker side because that is the drinker side one. This is the one I'm going for. Oh, the box almost went. Very nice. Ah, as you see, Headman Headers, long tube. 1 5/8 primaries to a 3-inch collector with ball flange. Well, I'll be. So, these should fit without too much hammering. The instructions say that there's no hammering required. So, we'll test that theory out. But, no, it won't block off that fresh air port. Because, well, it also means that it won't be in the way.
So we'll be able to access it.
Yeah.
Good. Well, shall we?
Yep, we should. Why am I putting money into this?
Here's the thing. The longer it crusts, the faster your quarter mile.
There's this. I'm bleeding. Oh well. We live? Yeah. Okay. So, the instructions say that it just falls in down here, but up through. But I don't want to get the jack out, so
Down it goes.
this side for sure. The side with the starter.
Probably not.
Probably down through the top too.
Actually, yeah.
I don't see weaseling that whole flange up through that hole.
That's going to be difficult.
Although
maybe
I'm probably going to disconnect the battery when I go at that side.
Yeah, just in case.
Who knows? So,
Let's jam her in there. If you can't
Sure.
jam her, jelly her.
I'll jelly it in there. Too tired to jam. They lied. It fits. Oh. Like a glove, actually.
Change.
And the head flange is shiny, so I'll be sure not to clean that.
Also be a good idea to get some, gaskets on the go.
And hardware. Let's check this box.
Exhaust gasket they got there.
I'll use this one.
Oh, she's multi-piece.
Oh, that's those holes that... I mean, for those of you that have your cylinder heads warped from overheating,
Perfect.
I will send you these for free.
Yeah. Instead, we're going to go ahead with these nice Velcro gaskets.
Are they the same?
Oh, this is the intake manifold gasket.
Yeah. The Velcro gasket's on the floor behind you. Right there.
Oh. Ha.
Those are the intake manifolds.
These are intake
These are serviceable. Like, I will use these if I have to.
Oh, yeah. But nice steel gasket as opposed to a fabric.
Those are just like a fabric chummy. I went to our local UAP here.
And surprisingly, they had it in stock.
So we got 2 donut gaskets that I don't want to throw them because...
No, they're good donut gaskets.
And look at these.
Well, they'll be useful for something.
I mean...
Not for anything on the application of this vehicle. Well, that one won't, but...
No, that's good. It's only kinked.
No. Hang it up on the wall so we forget we have one and buy 4 more.
So, yeah. This is definitely a much better way to ship exhaust gaskets.
Well, on a nice tight piece of
Corrugated cardboard.
Yes.
Oh, look. Top. These are very nice. So, which way do this go, I wonder?
The Velcro?
Do you put the steel towards the header or the head?
I imagine the head. Steel head, steel gasket.
Steel header, steel gasket.
Mm.
My schooling should remember this, but my brain just
Does not. What if we just applied a liberal application?
No gasket maker. I knew where that was going.
But we have so much copper gasket maker.
Who even needs gaskets? Let's just use gasket maker. There's more things. Staples! These come with a nice heat riser for your airbags in case you use those, but it's a little cold here today. Let me warm this up. There we go. Now
Nice.
it'll fit.
Fire that in the garbage.
Penis jokes. Kill myself if I throw up my sticker. Oh, look, receipt. I should probably... You know, put that in the glove box.
Ooh, something to go in the glove box.
Oh, yeah. I'll install all those later.
Yeah, tell the people at home what we're doing with the stickers that we get for this build.
So every sticker that I get for this build is going right in the back window that I installed with my dirty ass hands. Yes, I have feelings. Hey, look. Hamburgers performance parts. It's like a JB4.
That's amazing.
So there's 1, 2, 4. Edmund Hustler Headers. What are they from Avondale?
Avondale. Drop the A's in Avondale, pick them up again in Oldeyrood. Or drop your H's in Oldeyrood and pick them up again in Avondale.
See, look, Edmund Hustler Headers. Or maybe it's Edmund Uslier Headers without whatever the symbol is. I don't know. Anyway, another glove box find.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
As well, we also, I should point out,
Stickers.
we also got some stickers from a fellow YouTuber. Do a quick little shout out. I'm usually not in. Can you see me? You can't see me.
Hey, look, it's Ryan. You probably haven't
everyone.
seen him much.
No, so the old
Face
car
radio.
guy out of New Brunswick sent us some stickers, so we'll make sure one of these probably also ends up somewhere
Definitely on the back window.
on the back window. So thanks.
So maybe the right side will be Go Fast Parts, and the left side will be YouTubers to send us stickers. So if you want your sticker on Red Fordman, send them our way, and just send us a PM, and we'll give you our address, because we don't want to put that up and have psycho people come in and taking parts off my
rusty truck.
gem. Don't shh. What is it, a horse?
Yes.
Anyway, there's more stickers. Put that in the sticker envelope.
I'll put it in the sticker envelope.
I'm not. I don't. No.
And if you guys want stickers, and you don't want to trade stickers, you just want a sticker, shoot us a PM or a message on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, and I'll tell you how to purchase stickers. What the? You're worse than the cat.
I got what I was reaching for. See? Comes with the nice flanges. The bolt onto the collectors. Nice split flange. I'll be sure to use those.
Now,
maybe I'll just
go
with the deal with a little bit of restriction. I mean, back pressure. And then
well, you're not putting an H-pipe on it, so maybe that'll help. I mean, you are putting an H-pipe on it.
Maybe.
Probably not.
I want my neighbors to hate me, so no H-pipe. I want it to sound sick. And not the good sick. So yeah, I'll just get a 2 to 3 adapter, I guess. 2.5 to 3 inch, and then bump up to my 3 inch, and then just get another one of those bullet mufflers. And
Bob's your uncle.
anyway, there's a warranty and instructions and any of that.
Alan!
Alan, come get this box!
Alan. What a lazy son of a bitch.
Every time he comes around, he just runs whenever we're doing work.
Yep.
But if we're drinking beer,
He's here.
he's here.
And he drinks the most.
I bet there's guys like that where you're too.
Mm.
His probably name's Alan too.
Yeah, we just yell at him all the time.
Maybe he don't like us.
He likes our beer, so.
Everybody likes our beer.
Not fair enough.
What is stupid design Ford? Why? Now I know why people hate Fords. Oh
No.
wait, I already knew.
You used to own a 7.3. You know why people hate Fords. Don't pretend you don't.
Anyway, I'm going to put the steel side towards the head because that will be the hottest side. But you figure the reading side would be out, so that you could read things. Yeah, I'll do it that way.
I mean, maybe the side that says top outside as opposed to top inside would be the...
Do it say that?
No.
Oh. What kind of chintzy little... The head of the bolt is the size of the shank.
Yeah, go very tight.
Will that go through the...
Yeah, this one.
Oh my god, these are... They needed to make them that small. Those regular bolts would not have fit.
No?
Nope.
Well,
I'm going to need to use a chrome socket to...
Gently massage them in place.
What size is it?
What do you mean don't fit?
Don't fit. Rings up.
Bullshit.
Rings up.
I'm watching.
Engine mount again.
I call horseshit.
Well, I call seriousness. It's this thing.
What thing?
This, whatever this is.
Let's have a gander.
Whatever it is getting cut off.
What thing?
This, I think it's a heat shield.
Oh, that's a heat shield. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cut that off.
So I'll just take the zip disc and whip.
Probably unbolted, actually. Is there a bolt into it? It's probably built into the engine mount.
It's built onto the engine mount. Yeah. This sandwich over the engine mount. It's getting just zipped off.
Cool.
Dang it. Oh my god. Come on. Play nice. Let's hope I don't have to take these on and off often.
Probably will.
Factory fit and finish.
Allegedly. That's the battery for my Touareg.
What?
Huh?
What battery?
You didn't see nothing.
You ain't seen shit.
Alright, start over. See what she does.
Mostly like shit.
Sometimes good, sometimes.
Sometimes maybe good. Sometimes maybe shit. Hope this is just tight going in because it's half jammed up on the header.
It's actually wrong. It's right fit.
It just gnarled every hole.
Yeah.
Trying to seal up the fresh air ports for that hole on the head. Because I don't want those just bouncing around everywhere.
What does it work?
The deck screw that I just had and yeeted in the Narnia.
It's autonomous.
Oh yeah, this is real sketchy. I love it. It's gonna look like shit too. Makes it even better.
At least you can't really see it.
And I'm gonna have it all over my fingers. Get a rag on cue.
Rod rag.
Why do I do things?
West Virginia.
Oh yeah, well that's gonna seal perfectly. Until I start it up.
And it blows it up.
What grade were these bolts?
5.
So like medium send. I know that this wire that's
Not the right one.
belongs on the back port. Back plug wire. Click. Oh yeah, that's good. So you usually want to jam it up around your carburetor and
Yeah, it's all around.
twist it in through the rest, and it even sounds crunchy.
It does. Definitely cleans up pretty good.
Oh, getting rid of all this
Getting rid of all the junk, yeah.
and the rusty ass. Oh my god!
Oh yeah, she's...
Now you know you're not lucky when you get that out.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was hurting your just failure.
Pass me the
Persuader.
bumper and the barrage.
Probably need both.
Try not to buckle up my
Valve covers.
valve cover.
You mean rusty valve covers?
Maybe old valve cover.
She's got a bit of debris in there.
I'm not dumping that on the truck.
No.
This one don't have a hole in it though.
Yeah.
Whee!
Good bolt though.
Back in my ratchet with that plug wrench on it. This thing here
It's a vacuum
goes
canister.
down to this, which
You're gonna haul out?
oh, that's the vacuum actuator for the choke.
Oh, it don't work anyway, so. Delete.
You may now pronounce yourself deleted. I can't fit.
Let me blow this tire up.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh, hey guys. Oh, my thumbs. I need 2 arms, but I can't. Damn transmission lines.
Yep. What Shawn doesn't know is they're gonna break right in his face.
Wouldn't that be hilarious?
That would be pretty funny.
Seriously though, if it wasn't for those transmission lines, it would go up.
So, bend them out of the way.
I pushed them the other way. Against the frame rail.
I don't know if that one's long enough. Is it? Just made it worse. He thinks what we're going to do is we're going to take the grinder and we're going to cut a little chunk of that frame out. That will fix our problem.
Yeah, that's not good.
Why not? Good frame.
I'd sooner pry the engine over a bit.
Yeah,
Yes. Very nice. Yeah, see?
mint.
Oh my god.
What?
That cross member got to come out of this.
The rusty one?
Yeah.
Why?
Or I got to cut the back side out of it because the flange brings up in it.
Oh, of course. But it looks like there's enough room.
There is once you get it in there, but getting it in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Maybe that's one of those you're supposed to not put the header up, but then
Leave it loose.
leave it loose, drop the starter in, then put the header tight.
Not going at it.
No, fuck that. What are we doing now? Well, turns out our starter wire was gone a little shitty.
I'm very shitty. Oh yeah.
So we're gonna make a new one.
I need to double that over.
I don't think so. So, fill that right full.
And now we wait for that to cool. And that boil my insulator off.
Yep.
That's why I got heat shrink.
Yep, go right over everything.
No.
I'm just going to melt off that little
That'll
bit.
just literally fall right off.
It's still hot.
Get. One.
Ticky tickies.
Yep.
Mine exhaust fumes if I fall asleep driving and dies or whatever. But mine has stuff.
Yeah, this one.
Those are options.
Ready?
Yep. That sounds awesome.
My ear! My chest! I still got a plug wire off yet. That wasn't all of them.
She was a 7-cylinder, was she?
Yeah.
Neat.
Severely louder.
So close the hood now so we can get an idea what she's going to sound like.
Hinges need a bit more juice, I think.
Yeah. Well, it's not like the old Chevs and they just fold.
Yeah.
Deadly, boys. Deadly.